Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you what's new in watchOS 11.5 and some of the awesome features you can try right now. If you have an iPhone, just open the Watch app and go to the Face Gallery. You'll see tons of beautiful new watch faces, all organized by category. There's a lot to explore, and each face has its own unique design and style. When you tap on a face, you can customize it however you like. You can change the colors, and if you tap the plus icon, you'll find even more color options. You can also change the numerical style or the overall look of the face depending on what you choose. Try editing a few different faces. Some will let you adjust the background color, while others allow you to change the dial style or add complications. Every face has its own set of features, so take your time exploring and finding the one that fits your style. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.